I gonna do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Yes, sir. Boy, oh boy, I know. Was your wife a problem? I know. What was he saying? Fresh meat. Some viewers and subscribers now. I was reading this article where a female was writing to the editor. And this female people is saying right now she have some problem. Her head kinda they're on the clock lights and now. First of all, she said she's married to a man, right, for over 3 years. This man is 7 years older than her. She said before she married, she and this man was together for 2 years, people. You understand? She said when one are together for 2 years, things did good. You know what I mean? Meaning sexually indeed active and good and great and can perform and everything nice. She said they used to do it like 3 times a week, 4 times a week, and she always enjoyed it. She said coming down into the marriage part now, recent times being during the 3 years people at the final parts there. She said things start change a bit. The way it used to be active, it's different. And sometimes the man come in, he must say tired and thing and you know what I mean? So she said she go to her mother because she said she and her mother live like a sister. She always show her mother any little problem and how the mother behave, how the mother react to certain things and this and that and thing. So she said the mother tell her, so listen, what you have to do is just spice it up. You know what I mean? If you used to fling it on the left, fling it on the right. Or if you used to just fling it there, so fling it around us and fling it up. That's about give me and perform on him the real way. You understand? And keep it active. You know what I mean? Just said the mother tell her, spice it up. You know what I mean? Spice it up. You know if you spice it up, you can do it. You know what I mean? She said in the end, she listened to what mama say and she go there and she try. She said one night time, the man come in. And she said when she look, the man is going to bed and say, I'm tired. So she said, I'm there tired and she just comes say, boom man, go pan him man, perform pan him man. You know what I mean? Make him get a look and pop on him. You know what I mean? She said, at the end now, boom, things done. Them there on table one of the day now, I eat and thing. And she said to him, say, what really are go on? Like, you know what I mean? What happened to you just tired? And she said, the man just say, boy, I don't know now. You know what I mean? So she said, boy, things just different. She said the man just said to her, say, honestly, you know, you see if you're a friend, it'd better if you could have just get one of your friend them come give you, because right now, you know, some fresh meat that do me well. She said when she hear that people are cheap because she start think whole heap of thing because all along in her head is the man a cheat on her because she asks him about cheating every time and he must say, no, you know, do them mess something. She said when she get serious for him now and she talk to him and say, you finally have somebody, you know, you have somebody younger than me. She said the man said, no, honestly, no, I not have nobody younger than you, but deep inside, honestly, I'm a straight on my life, I not cheat on you, but me really tired sometime and thing. She said right now, people, she left puzzling and she still feel like this man. You know what I mean? Because of the first. So the man saying sorry, but he never mean it or nothing like that or whatever. Now, people, close off what you say and everything with fresh meat and thing. But when NEWLINK I go say now, the man say he want some fresh pum pum. I don't know the fullest why he want the fresh pum pum because basically this lady like she will give him because the mother talk to one because she go up on him when he tired and ride it off and him pop off, so she will do her thing. You know what I mean? But I'm saying, you know, sometime, you know, in a relationship, you know, when I hear something him spice up, you know, woman don't have to really spice it up sometime, you know. You know what I mean? Make the man feel good, you know. You get me? Sometime, man, you know the man they are work and they might come in, man. You are going, man, just get one sexy lingerie. If you want, you never see and go buy one new one. You understand? And buy it, spray everybody nice and thing, light some can go play some love song, have some fruit well prepared. You know what I mean? You spice it up too. You get me? I say, I saw you have to do it. I saw you have to do it because both, you know, have a part to play. It's not all about the man, you know. Just like how the man comes to boom and go buy a chocolate and buy a flowers. So as a woman, you have to play them role to, you know, do something to make the man can really think inside and say, boom. You know what I mean? But sometimes it happens in a relationship where you got man both sides where the man will change and the woman change. After people marry them, people say, yes, we're tired enough now, so everything good. The person now will get distracted no more. The person now got to go find nobody. But in the end, serious thing. That's the time when you need to pay attention, you know, in a marriage. That's the time when you need to do good for both wife and husband. That's the time when you have to do things. You know what I mean? Even now Christian, you still have to spice it up. You still have to learn to fling it up and back it up and jack it up and cock it up. You get me I say? And not just the mama and papa thing. You have to learn how to do it. Go watch some things and learn, or go get some class and get instruction. But you have to learn how to make the man feel. You know what I mean? Give him attention. So in the end, people, if you think go, they go do something which you know if you do. But when I do you something, you know what I mean? Nobody can. You know have to work it up. Zine and man are the same thing for who not to. You have to learn to put it on. Fling her this so, fling her over this so, put her up on the dresser, put her up on the fridge too, put her in the bathroom, on the shower, in the shower, on the ground, how to do, in the car. You mean, you have to enjoy it all over. You know, because when you know, before you married, you know, when you used to do it, you know. You mean, I don't go to a party sometimes when you screech out this and go run and sound box go do it. Me never do it, you go say me no want to do it. No. Alright. So, you still have to do it. You name spicing up. Fresh meat. I don't know the thing of yours and subscribers. I don't know. NEWLINK there from NEWLINK production. I'll make answer people. If you don't want to man tell us say you want a fresh meat, you better spice it up. Peace out.